Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Daily, the podcast where learning English is simple, practical, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone. It's great to be back with another exciting episode.
Absolutely. And today's episode is all about something super important. Common English phrases you must know to sound fluent.
Exactly. These are the kinds of phrases native speakers use every single day, often without thinking. If you want to sound natural, not robotic, these phrases are your key.
That's right. So if you've ever thought, I understand English, but I don't sound fluent, this episode is for you.
Before we jump in, a quick reminder. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this with a friend who's learning English too.
All right, let's begin. Here are some must-know phrases that will help you sound more fluent and confident. Phrase 1. That's a good question.
This is one of my favorite phrases. When someone asks you something and you need a second to think, say, "That's a good question."
Yes, it sounds natural and gives you time to think. Example, Anna, David, why do people love coffee so much?
That's a good question. I guess it helps them wake up?
Phrase 2. I get what you mean.
This means I understand you, but it sounds more natural than just saying I understand.
Example, David, learning English pronunciation can be tough sometimes.
Yeah, I get what you mean.
Perfect for conversations. It shows empathy and understanding. Phrase 3. You know what I mean?
This one is super common in spoken English. It's a way of checking if someone understands you.
Example, David, sometimes I feel sleepy even after coffee. You know what I mean?
Totally.
Phrase 4. I'm not sure, but I think.
This is polite and fluent when you're unsure. Instead of just saying, I don't know, this sounds more thoughtful.
Example, Anna, David, when was YouTube created?
I'm not sure, but I think around 2005.
Phrase 5. Guess what?
Oh, this is a fun one. Use it when you have exciting news.
Example, Anna, guess what? We just hit 100,000 subscribers.
No way! That's amazing.
Phrase 6. I can't believe it.
This phrase is used when you're shocked or surprised in a good or bad way.
Example, David, I can't believe it. It's raining again.
Yeah, it never stops.
Phrase 7. That makes sense.
Use this when something becomes clear to you. It's polite and shows understanding.
Example, Anna, we should record in the morning when we're more energetic.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Phrase 8. It depends. This one is powerful. Use it when the answer isn't black and white.
Example, Anna, do you like working from home?
It depends. Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Phrase 9. I'm just kidding.
Use this when you make a joke. Example, David, you're late again.
What?
Relax, I'm just kidding.
Phrase 10. No worries.
This one means it's okay or don't worry about it.
Example, sorry, I forgot my notebook.
No worries, you can borrow mine. Phrase 11. By the way,
use this to change the topic naturally in a conversation.
Example, David, did you finish editing our last episode?
Yes, it's uploading right now.
Phrase 12. You're welcome.
Simple, but must know. It's what you say after someone says thank you.
Example, Anna, thanks for helping me today.
You're welcome.
Phrase 14. That's awesome.
Use it to express excitement.
Example, David, we got 500 new comments today.
That's awesome.
Phrase 14. It's up to you.
This means you decide.
Example, Anna, should we record another video or take a break?
It's up to you.
Phrase 15. I can't wait.
This shows excitement for something coming soon.
Example, David, I can't wait for our next podcast.
Me too.
Phrase 16. Take your time.
Use this to tell someone not to hurry.
Example, Anna, I'll need a few minutes to check this.
Sure, take your time.
Phrase 17. Keep it up.
This is an encouragement phrase, means you're doing great, continue.
Example. David, your pronunciation has improved a lot.
Thanks, I'll keep it up.
Phrase 18. Better late than never.
A classic. It means it's better to do something late than not at all.
Example. Anna, I finally finished that book.
Better late than never.
Phrase 19. Let's call it a day.
This means let's stop working for now.
Example. David, we've recorded 3 videos today.
Yeah, let's call it a day.
And phrase 20. You bet.
A confident way to say, of course.
Example. Anna, will you help me with the new script?
You bet.
All right, let's do a quick recap of what we learned today.
We covered 20 powerful phrases. That's a good question. I get what you mean. It depends. I can't wait. Let's call it a day, and many more.
Exactly. If you start using even a few of these phrases in your daily conversations, you'll sound so much more fluent and natural.
And don't worry about memorizing everything at once. Pick 5 phrases today and practice them until they become natural.
That's a great idea. You can even practice with a friend or talk to yourself out loud. That really helps.
And hey, if you enjoyed this lesson, let us know in the comments which phrase you liked the most.
Yes, and write one short sentence using that phrase. We'll check your answers.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with others who want to learn English naturally.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, learning English is all about small daily progress.
Exactly. Practice makes progress, not perfection.
We'll see you in the next episode of Speak English Daily. Bye, everyone!